Open After Effects and click on New Project from the splash screen. The configuration of your panels might be different, so click on the top right corner and select all panels so that we have a similar configuration. Click on this small icon on the bottom of the project panel to create a new composition. Write Hello World in the composition name. Then select a preset. If you want to create a video for social media in Full HD format, select this one. Keep the width and the height as is, square pixels as you are going to create something for the web. Select half for the resolution, this is just for the preview of the video. And then for the duration, write 10 seconds. Click OK. The composition is now created in the project panel. If you go to the composition panel, you can have a preview of the video. Select Fit to window to see the whole composition. On the toolbar on the top, click on the horizontal type tool. Then go to the preview window, click on it and write Hello World. Then click on the arrow here to exit the edit mode. On the right side, look for the paragraph panel, open it and click on the Align to Center. Then click on Character and increase the font size. Finally, click on Align and align horizontally and vertically. You have created your first layer. On the bottom part of the screen, you have the timeline with all the layers which are available. Now only this one. Click on the arrow to open the transform. You can see there are a bunch of properties that you can work on. The work area is now 10 seconds long as we have selected, but you can reduce it to 5 seconds if you want just to work on this part and render only this part. Position to 1 second on the timeline, then look for the scale property and click on the stopwatch on the left. You have created your first keyframe. Then move to 0 and you can modify the property. Let's put 0. This is your second keyframe. If you move between the two, you can see the animation. Then go to about 4 seconds, look for the opacity and click on the stopwatch. You have set the opacity on this keyframe at 100. Then move to the end and set the opacity to 0. Move to the first frame and press the spacebar to see the preview. It will loop until you press the spacebar again. Let's now save this project. Click on File and then Save, or Ctrl S. Click then on Composition and Add to Render Queue. Now we want to export our composition to an MP4 file. Render settings, keep best settings, then on Output module, click on the arrow and select High Quality. Click on High Quality and then on the format, select H.264. This is the format to export MP4 file. Click on OK. On the Output 2, click on the file name to select the folder you want to save your MP4 to together with the file name. And finally, click on Render. The composition is not too difficult to render, so it will take just a couple of seconds. And finally, you can go to the folder to get your MP4 file